Hi again. I'm Stephen Dunn. If you've just had a total hip replacement or you're about to, you might feel unsure about getting back to your favorite activities. Let's talk about how our holistic approach at my Austin clinic helps you reclaim your life pain free. Our patients don't just want to walk again, they want to hike, dance, play with their kids or grandkids, or get back on the golf course. With our unique combination of manual therapy, Pilates, and gyrotonic exercises, we prepare you for those very goals. Manual therapy helps reduce pain, improves range of motion, and breaks up scar tissue that can limit your movement. Pilates builds strength in your hips, core, and back to support your new joint. And gyrotonic exercises restore natural flowing movement that's essential for activities like climbing stairs, getting in and out of the car, or even tying your shoes without pain. Our holistic plan isn't just about rehab, it's about empowering you to live the life you've been missing. Whether you're still deciding on surgery or you've already had it, we're here to guide you every step of the way. Ready to get started? Reach out to us today at 512 215 4227 to schedule your personalized assessment, and let's get you back to doing what you love, pain free.